Hey y'all, it's me, Serena, and welcome back to my channel. My channel is about style in your 40s, 50s, and beyond, and how you can be the best version of yourself no matter what your age. So if you like subscription boxes, unboxings, try-ons, shopping hauls, and that type of thing, please consider hitting that red subscribe button and giving my video a thumbs up. So today I am excited because it's another Wantable box, yay! And it's a dreary day outside and it's raining and it's just a good day to stay in and do a video. So my hair is in its natural state. It's very wavy, so that's why my hair may look different if you haven't seen it like this. I like to let it go wavy and natural, and it's gonna be that way anyway if I go outside. So that's why I look a little bit different today. But Wantable is a subscription service, and by the numbers, it's a $20 styling fee, and that gets applied toward anything you keep out of the box. They send you 7 items, and you have 5 days to try the items on at home, decide what you like, what you don't, and keep or send back or check out online with the items that you're going to keep. So it comes to you in a box lined with this cute tissue paper, and it says "Styled for your name" on there. And you also receive the prepaid mailer that you will send your items back in, the ones that you don't keep. And then you also receive a note from your stylist here, and the list of the items that came in your box with the descriptions and the prices. So with Wantable, if you keep 5 of the 7 items, you get an additional 20% discount. So if you can keep 5 items, that's great. And the way it works is, if you haven't signed up for Wantable, have never tried Wantable before, I am part of the Wantable influencer program, so I have a link I will put below, and if you use that link to try Wantable, you will get a $35 credit off your first box. And also, if you haven't tried Wantable and you're not a member of Rakuten yet, I highly recommend that you join Rakuten. Rakuten used to be rebates, and it's a cashback rebate program that you sign up with. You put it in the Rakuten thing goes in a little toolbar on your computer, or it's an app on your phone. And whenever you're shopping on a site that participates with Rakuten, it'll pop up and say activate, whatever percentage cash back. Sometimes it's a percentage, sometimes it's a flat dollar amount. And then you click on that, and that coupon is activated for that transaction. And I know with Wantable, they participate with Rakuten, and it's a $5 cashback rebate on every purchase. So that gets you another $5 off whatever you keep, but that comes through your Rakuten rebate. And that's every time. That's not just a one-time thing. So if you start participating with Rakuten and Wantable, then every month when you check out, you activate that Rakuten button, then you'll get a $5 rebate. So it's just another way to save a little bit of money. And I'll also put my Rakuten link below. And if you sign up with Rakuten using my link, you'll get an additional bonus rebate on your first transaction. So just some little ways to save money, because we're all looking for ways to save money. So my 7 items this time, I got some jewelry, these little stretchy bracelets, which I love. There are 6 in the set. I think 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5. 5 in the set, and they're just nice neutral colors. They're the little beads, and I love stretchy bracelets, so I was excited to get those. And in my little pamphlet that came in my box this time, excuse the plane flying over, so it's my note from my stylist, and then you'll see that some of these items down here, I don't know if you can see that, has a little heart by them, and that indicates that I favorited that item on my stream. So Wantable has what they call their stream, and it's where you go through, and it has all kinds of different products and looks, and if you like it, you can favorite that look or that item. And then when they style your box, if they have that item that you favorited from the stream and they have it in your size, they will include it in an upcoming box for you. So this time I have 3 items that I had favorited from my stream. The jacket, that pink jacket is one, and then the blue tie-dye tank top and those bracelets. So I got 3 items this time that I had marked as favorites. And sometimes, you know, the favorites work out, sometimes they don't. But, you know, it's just fun to go on there and pick the things you like. And I wanted to also mention that the outfit that I'm wearing today in my video, this whole thing is from a previous Wantable box. And the fun thing about Wantable, it's casual. This is a very casual outfit. So when you select your Wantable box, they have a couple of different, what they call edits. You can either do the style edit, which is what I usually do, and then they also have an active edit, which is all active wear, you know, tank tops and shorts and leggings and that type thing. And then they also have these fun themed edits, and those are changing all the time. You know, they've had the patio perfect edit and the summer kickstart summer edit, and just a bunch of different, you know, fun themed edits with clothing that they've curated just for that particular look or that particular theme. So a lot of different ways you can shop on Wantable and pick your items for your box. So I have 2 pairs of shorts, 3 tops, a jacket, and these bracelets. And I'm going to get with the first outfit and I'll be right back. Okay, here's my first look. This tank is by Gentle Fawn. It's called the Rust Snake Print Tank. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of a subtle snake print and kind of a terracotta color. And it's V-neck in the front and V in the back. And I have on a regular bra, so it's very, you know, bra friendly. And this top is $49. And then the shorts, these are by Beach Lunch Lounge. And they are shorts, but they almost look like a skirt. They're a size medium, and they're really big. I don't know if they're supposed to fit like this or if I needed a small. I don't know, but I'm just not real sure about these shorts. I don't know that it's necessarily my look. They're super comfy. They're just elastic waist, pull on, have a little drawstring here. They do have pretty generously sized pockets, but they're very thin and flowy, so they would be super cool when it's hot, especially, you know, with this top. And I don't know if these really go together, but the bottom of the shorts here has this design across the bottom of the legs that has the same color as the top, so that's why I chose this to put on with the shorts. So I don't know about this outfit. I think I would like the top better with just some plain shorts, and I think I'll try it on with those denim shorts and see if I like that look. I'm just not feeling these shorts. The length of them is kind of long. On a taller person, they may be better, but yeah, just kind of not feeling it. Just not a good fit. So let me get changed into the other shorts. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the tank with the denim shorts, and I definitely think I like this look better. The tank is kind of flowy. I think it looks nice with denim shorts. It would also look nice with white jeans or white shorts. This would be a great top for the upcoming hot summer days that I know we're going to have here in Alabama. We've been pretty lucky so far, and it hasn't been too hot. And I don't know if I've mentioned or if I mentioned the shorts were $48. Those, the Beach Lunch Lounge. These denim shorts that I have on, these are by Jag Jeans, and they're super stretchy and comfy, and they are in a size 6, and they're a paler wash. I already have some cuffed denim shorts by Jag that I really, really like, that came in a previous Wantable box, but they're a little bit darker wash. And while I like these, I just don't think I need another pair of denim shorts. But the interesting thing about these is it says they're made 100% from recycled plastic bottles. So not sure how they did that, but, and these are $59. The denim shorts by Jag. And while I've got this on, I think I'll go ahead and try on the jacket. This jacket I love. This is something that I favorited from my stream. The jacket is by Kinsey, and it's in a size small. And let's see, the jacket is $68. And this is sort of a cargo style jacket, which I do like. And of course, I probably won't be wearing a jacket a lot in the summertime, but you never know when you need one going into a restaurant or in a building that's really cool, because they keep those things like ice boxes in the summer. But I just absolutely love this color. It's gorgeous, and it actually looks nice with this top. So this could look nice with some white denim, white pants, or even with some denim jeans. Probably wouldn't wear it with shorts, but I mean, you could take it with you and put it on if you needed to. And I did cuff the sleeves a couple of times because they were a little bit long, and I like my sleeves cuffed a little bit shorter above my watch and my bracelets anyway. And speaking of the bracelets, there they are. Aren't those gorgeous? I just love these. And the bracelets are by Liza's, and the 5 bracelet set is $38. But here you go, this jacket, I really like it. It zips and it snaps, and of course it's got stretch, and it would be snug if I fastened it. But I mean, let's be honest, this kind of jacket you're not really wearing for warmth, it's more for looks, so I probably would never fasten it or zip it. But here's the view of the jacket. So there you go. I really like the top. I really like the jacket too. Really like it a lot. And I like the denim shorts. I just don't feel like I need another pair right now. I have 3 pairs of denim shorts, so I think that's enough to get me through the summer. So, all right, I got a couple more tops to try that I'll try on with these shorts, and we'll wrap up. So I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next top. This is by Skies Are Blue. This little tie-dye tank top. It's got navy and teal and kind of a fuchsia color and even like an orangey yellow. So lots of different colors. And this is an item that I had favorited on my stream. I thought it was cute. Just to have a tank top for summer that's not just a plain solid color. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think about this. It's a little bit bolder in person than it came across, I guess, on the stream when I selected it. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. I mean, I like that there's a lot of movement and a lot of color. I think it would look really crisp with white. Of course, I love everything with white. If y'all haven't caught on to that yet, I like a lot of things with white. I just think it looks crisp and clean and cool for the summer. But I really love the turquoise or teal color that's in here. So pretty. And it would be pretty with a lot of different jewelry too, like if you turquoise or whatever. And let's see, this top is $42, and as I said, it's by Skies Are Blue. And it almost works with a regular bra, but not quite. My straps are showing. I could get one of those little clips to pull my straps together in the back, or just wear, you know, a racerback bra, and that would take care of that. But yeah, let me know what you think. The fit is good. I like the length. I mean, I could do a front tuck, wouldn't have to. And this material is just so silky soft. I'm not sure, I didn't look at the fabric content. It must have some rayon or something in it because it's so silky. So yeah, there's the tank top. Let me know what you think about it, and I'm gonna put on the last item and I'll be right back. Okay, last item, it's this t-shirt by Suburban Riot, and as you can see, it says wine. So who doesn't love wine, right? So she sent me this. She told me in my note because back earlier in the spring, I had favorited on my stream a sweatshirt version of this. And and I never got it in my box, but she saw that I had favorited that, so it came out in this t-shirt, and so she sent me the t-shirt, and I have to say I love it. I'm gonna keep it just because it says wine and, you know, cute. I know the millennials and Gen Z thinks this is just, you know, passe or whatever, but I don't care. I think it's cute. And if you haven't tried the tees from Suburban Riot, I highly recommend them. They're 100% cotton. They are the softest tees you've ever felt in your life. They're not too thick, not too thin, just the perfect weight and thickness, and they're cut for a woman's body. You know, this is not a big boxy t-shirt, and this is a size small, but it's not boxy. It's curved, it's fitted, it's a very flattering t-shirt. I'll give it a little front tuck there. And so there you go. There's my wine t-shirt. So that is my Wantable box this time. You guys let me know what you think about the items I received and what I should keep or send back, or what you thought about everything, or if you have questions about any of these items, I'll be glad to let you know what I can find out about them. But try Wantable. Like I said, I've got my link below. You'll get a $35 credit on your first box, and if you use Rakuten, you'll get a $5 rebate as well. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my channel. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And until I see you next time, have a stylish day. Bye-bye.